Hi, welcome to section Image Processing with OpenCV. You can skip this section if you already know image processing with OpenCV. As we discussed in the previous section, that these are all the components used to build this project. Now, in this section, we are discussing about this. First of all, let's say we have image like this. For gender classification, the expected output is something like this, which has bounded box. On top of that, we have the description of the class and confidence code. But in order to achieve this, in the backend, there are several steps to make this happen. Read image in an array, convert into grayscale, detect the bounding box of the face using hair cascade classifier. These steps we'll do using OpenCV library. Then, in order to achieve the class name and the confidence code, we use machine learning model. For that, we will crop and scale the image to make it structured and then normalize the image using NumPy library. With normalized image, we calculate and compute eigenvalues using Principal Component Analysis (PCA) with the help of scikit-learn library. From the optimal components, we will get class name and confidence code from the machine learning model and also do with scikit-learn library. Using the coordinates of the bounding box in the step number 3 and the description of the image and confidence code, we will bring those to draw the bounding box and put text in the image with the help of OpenCV library. Let's get into the section to start working on OpenCV stuff for our project.